and ceremonies to order.
Let's give a round of applause, everybody. Thank you, Lieutenant Governor Delfino. God is the only source of grace, and we humbly offer tonight's event for His greater glory. Everybody, rise up, please. And let's welcome Mr. David Garcia for our spiritual nourishment and invocation.
Pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
And with my beautiful co-host.
I'm Deb, and we are the masters of ceremony for tonight's event, chartering of Kiwanis Club of Sargen Illustris, with the theme, Children First, Empowering the Next Generation.
Now it's our president, the lawyer of Venus. Round of applause.
And the treasurer is Lidape Garcia. These three are the founding members of the club. Let's have a round of applause, please. Now let's call out the charter members.
President-elect, Harriet Naunayan.
Let's have a round of applause, please. Ms. Marilo Aristoso, Vice President.
Our secretary, Terry Teofilo. Round of applause, please.
Let's call out the board members. Paulina M. Duque.
Our beautiful Evelyn Sargen.
Miss Marian Rita Blanca.
Ang pinaka-voting, Sir Ricky Morlanos.
Miss Teresita Ann.
A round of applause for Ma'am Gina Bello.
Salvador.
Pinakamalaking hardware, Ma'am Lucena Dulayan.
And to Miss Gina Amelo Tuklayan.
Our very own Mr. John Luz.
Let's give a hand to Mr. Jeremy Macho.
Mr. Enrico Nicamlanga.
Miss Miss Mary Grace Palma.
Lastly, Luz Biminda Kiwi.
They may be absent in tonight's event, but let us all acknowledge Miss Alina Delfino, Noria Cabal, and Merla Caldatoro.
Malakas pa kong palakpak para kay Ma'am Mehmet National.
Let's give it a hand to Fen Napila Mercurio.
Our beautiful Charisse Joy Cabreros.
And the beautiful Miss Crescent Balumpines.
Mr. Donachun Duque. Mr. Melvin S. Apostolon.
And these are our reactive transferees. Let's welcome Miss Annalisa C. Salvador.
Constantine Mayoni.
The Cloud Charger of Jensen Believers.
Gift kit the club has chosen will ship from our vendor and will come later to you. There is one free convention registration will be emailed to the club president. If you have any question, please contact Lieutenant Booker. Signed by Lieutenant Booker, the club processing representative. Remember, for every new club, there's a free registration to the International Convention. So our International Convention will be in Denver, Colorado. The early bird registration is $399, while the late or regular is $499. Okay? So you have one ticket to Icon. And may I call the sponsoring club, Kiwanis Club of Magandang Johnson. We have the club president, President Beth John. Please be there as the sponsor. When you say sponsor, they are the guide, guiding mentor. Sila ang magbayad. Sila po ang mag-guide ninyo. Okay? So, I will make your charter's certificate ng Kiwanis Club of Sargen, Illustris. The Kiwanis Club of Sargen, Illustris has complied with all the rules and regulations prescribed by Kiwanis International and has been accepted as an affiliated club and is hereby vested with all of the and cause its corporate seal to be affixed hereto by President and Executive Director. Signed by Katrina Barranco, the Kiwanis International President and Executive Director, Paul Alazolo, on January 21, 2024. That is your anniversary. That is your birthday. And I will sign the charter certificate. So, I'll sign it.